Welcome to our guide on how to view a chat group photo on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open X on your PC to access the platform. Step 2. On the left side of the page, locate and click on Messages to access your direct messages. Step 3. In the address box, enter the name of the group chat you want to view the photo for. Step 4. Click on the specific group chat from the search results to enter the conversation. Step 5. Within the group conversation, locate and click on the information icon to access the conversation settings. Step 6. On the group info page, click on the More icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select View Photo from the options available. By following these steps, you can easily view the group photo within a chat group on X, Twitter, on your PC, allowing you to see the shared image associated with the group chat. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to view a chat group photo on X, Twitter, on PC. Enjoy exploring and engaging with group conversations on X by accessing and viewing shared photos within your chat groups effortlessly.